Hi family. Okay, this is part 2 of my meatloaf video. I ran out of memory, and so the meatloaf has been in the oven for 45 minutes. It's at 165 degrees internal temperature. This is what I'll do. I'll get rid of any debris. Let me get my cup here. This is stuff I use my little yogurt cups for. I put my preps in here when I'm like portioning out stuff. So okay, we'll keep it like that. I'm gonna glaze it with ketchup. And just spread it. Just spread the glaze around. And it's high in sugar, so I don't want a whole lot. But just a nice glaze. Okay, then I microwaved my broccoli Normandy. Just gonna have a little sheet pan meal. This is a quick and easy way just to have a nice meatloaf board. Put some here, just spread it around. I'm just going to use one bag, but to really make a, nice presentation, just, get 2 bags, spread it around, make it pretty. Let's see. Just whatever vegetables you want. Some over here. Oh, did I season it? No, I didn't. While it's hot, put some Creole seasoning on it. Microwave some butter. And there we go. Have a beautiful meatloaf. Okay, let me take this little end piece. Nice and firm. See that? It's cooked all the way through. Let's take a taste. Okay, fam, this is so delicious. I got a little piece left, so I'm just going to keep it in this pan until hubby gets home and wrap it up in foil. We've got a nice meatloaf meal for a couple of days. We'll eat dinner tonight, and then tomorrow will be leftovers, and that's probably pretty much it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate your support. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe. Hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you. Bye.